Welcome back to the Visitor 2000 channel for a new tram video. This is the Route 67 Carnegie tram. This is either Glen Huntly Road or Glen Ferry Road we're on. Mostly focusing on the Z3s on the longer 67. Thanks to a friend of mine who works on the tramways. Just let me know when the G started in Essendon. Essendon's going to transfer a lot of their Bs over to Glen Huntly Depot, and then Glen Huntly Depot is going to withdraw the Zs from the 67, 64s. Z3 on the Route 67. In October 2025. All the Z3s. Like earlier I mentioned in the video, the Zs will first be discontinued on the Route 67 and 64 tram routes first, when Essendon Tram Depot get the D series. This is the one going to Melbourne University. I was going to stop at the tram stop. This is the 64. I'm not sure what that B class is though, coming up behind it. That might be a 64. I think the one behind 64 tram. Oh no, it's also 67.
Bus 105 coming out of Malvern.
but it's up the line from the Glen Huntly tram depot. Z3 on the Route 67, city bound. I'm at the near the just from the depot.